I have literally watched this rain move across from these mountains over here. There's mountains right in front of me. You can't see them because of the rain. And it's headed this way. This is pretty neat. I wish I could have started this video before the rain went across the mountains, because you could see those mountains over there. I actually posted a picture on Facebook of the mountains looking out this window, but you can't see them right now because of the rain. And it's on its way. You can probably watch it come across the road here in a second. I'd say slowly moving, but it's moving this way. I was just sitting here working on some websites, and I seen the rain coming, so I figured I'd take this video. Hopefully it'll come across the road here pretty soon. Pretty soon it'll come across that far road. Can you hear the wind? I can hear it. You see all the... I gotta sneeze. Excuse me. There's an airplane going over. What is that? Oh, that's on the window. I didn't know what that was. The spot, I thought it was outside. You think I'm crazy, it's this spot right here. Here it comes. Across the road. It's raining over there now. You can see it making its way here. This is the most awesome thing I've ever seen as far as rain is concerned. I can see it blowing across the hotel over there. It's on the other side of it, but it's not hit it yet, I don't think. Now it's hit it. It's blowing across in front of it. I can see it. Here it comes. It's here. It's going to be pouring here in about 20 seconds. Maybe less. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pour rain. Look, there it is. Watch this. Watch this. This is crazy. And it's pouring. Here it goes. That's a heavy rain. That is a heavy rain. That was crazy.